So all I had was this shop vac here, 4.5 horsepower, or 4.25 rigid, with just a hose with no tips on it. So at Home Depot, I was able to get this crevice tip, which is a little flexible. And then this set of adapters where if you disconnect these two, this will fit in here. And then these little itty bitty ones will fit into the tip of this. And you can get into those little holes without having to lift up all the wiring brackets. So let's give this a try. So there's one adapter, then that little piece, and then this little piece. All right, let's see how much we get. All right. Yeah, it's amazing how thick this is. Look how thick that footwell piece is. I took off the plastic piece. There's a big plastic piece that goes there. 2 screws, and then it just pops off. Show you what that piece looks like. That's this piece right here. And you have to disconnect the light. It goes just like that. It goes up there like that. This is what you see when you look underneath. And you have to, when you bring it down, you have to disconnect the light from that connector there. It's just pull straight out. So first you do is you unscrew this one and this one. And then there's these 2 little tabs, one here and one right there, that you just kind of pull back. And on the side, you just pull this one out. And it comes off complete. This is the one piece that goes from here all the way to the other side. What you have to do is pull off this piece. Comes off with 4 tabs. And those 2 pieces up there are the locator tabs, so that it connects to the top one. And that's it. And then you got both of these things out. And then you could lift up here to look for water. Let me show you what came out after just a couple of minutes of sucking in under here through the top. First I went through the top, and then I went in there with the wand. But when I went through the top, it was just straight like this. It was just this piece, just like that, just going across the carpet. That's a lot of water. What's that, a quart? That's incredible. All right. I'm gonna keep using the vacuum for a little bit, and then I'll just leave it here with all the windows open and the sunroof open for 8 days. It's not going to get warmer than 70 in here, so it should stay nice and cool. Shouldn't smell. I'm gonna try to stick some towels underneath there just to start soaking stuff up. All right.